Hey all, and welcome back. So I'm excited to have you here for today's video, which since I just received my Nadine West shipment, I'll be unboxing or unbagging in this case, and trying on each item to see how they fit and if I like the way they look. For anyone who's unfamiliar with Nadine West, it's a monthly fashion subscription service delivering curated fashion packages right to your door or mailbox. You get to try on the items and see how easily they fit into your existing wardrobe and on you. Anything you don't want, simply return it by the specified date on the packaging slip using the same shiny pink envelope and the provided return label that's inside. You pay only for the items that you keep. Any initial shipping charges are applied as a credit to your purchase. Oh, and one quick tip, you'll want to make sure to choose at least one item, because if you don't, or you decide not to keep anything, typically you will lose that credit. Okay, now that we're all on the same page, let's see what they sent. Oh, and again, here's that packing slip that I was talking about with the return date on it. So mine, I got my package a little later than they were expecting, so I just emailed the stylist and asked if they could extend the day, so they're really awesome about doing that kind of stuff. So, got two little bundles here. So, let's see what's in, bundle number 1. Okay, so earrings. Actually, I kind of like these ones. I needed some more hoops, actually, too. Square hoop ones. And then these ones are interesting. I'm not quite sure about these, but we'll see how they look with other stuff. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, and I love elephants, these little tribal elephant things. And a shirt. Oop. So it's a longer sleeve shirt, but it's really lightweight, and it looks like it kind of matched those shorts too. Oh, bundle number 2. I like this too. So this is a top. It's a little hard to see, I think, the detailed front, but try it on. I like that. Actually, and I needed another black top. This is a lot of material. Oh, it's a dress. A long one. Cool. So I guess I have to see how all this looks, but I'm liking it so far. Okay, let's go try everything on.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind, how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
I did like pretty much everything. I am going to be sending back the long sleeve red top. It's just a little too warm still here for that, and I just kind of felt it was a little bit big as well. The disc earrings that were the black and white ones, I didn't really care for those. They just weren't my style. But I do like these, the gold square hoops, so I'm definitely keeping these. And the black top with the crisscross in the front. And of course the elephant shorts. Those were my favorites. And I'm debating still on the dress. I do like it, but I'm just a little bit hesitant because it's a little bit long for me, and it'd be dragging and possibly trip me, which my luck, that would happen. So we'll see. I don't know. After giving it some thought, I did decide to send the blue dress back. It was just a little too long for me. So I packaged everything back up into the pink bag and along with the return slip and attached the return label, and then called the postman for pickup. So what's your favorite fashion styling service, and have you ever tried Nadine West? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by clicking the thumbs up button, and consider subscribing for more fashion DIY unboxing videos. Oh, and so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos, make sure to click the little bell icon next to the subscription. Thanks everyone for watching, and I will see everyone next video. Alright, bye.